This is the Physics Homework 1.2 help video. This is over sig figs and scientific notation, and I'll go ahead and start with number 1, doing A, D, and G. We'll start with A. We have 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. In this case, all of those zeros are bracketed by two non-zero numbers, so they are significant. So here we have 7 significant figures. In the second one, or in D, we have 0.00005200. The zeros on the left are simply placeholders. They're telling us where to place the decimal. So those are not significant, none of them. The zeros on the end are significant because they're after the number, after the decimal. So those are significant. So in this case, we have 4 significant figures. In G, we have 4, 3, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. If there were a decimal here, then those would be significant. But since there's not, those 3 decimals, none of them are significant. So here we have 4 significant figures. Moving on down to number 3, I'll do A for you. We start with 0.197 and subtract 0.1 from that. If you punch that in your calculator, you're going to get 0.097. But you're smarter than your calculator. With sig figs, in addition and subtraction, we're going to round to the number with the fewest decimal places, or in other words, the one that ends furthest left. That's going to be this one. So we can only have 1 decimal place here. So we'll round this to 0.1. And that's your answer there. Moving on to number 5, dividing 2.77 by 3.8. Multiplication and division are by far the easier of the two here. We're going to divide 2.77 by 3.8, and that's going to give us 0.728947, blah, blah, blah. This number has 2 significant figures, so our answer will have 2 significant figures. So our answer is 0.73 here. We'll move on to number 7. Write the following in standard decimal form, and it gives us 7.45 times 10 to the 10th. Now, since that's a positive exponent, we're going to have a very big number. So we're going to move that decimal to the right 10 places. So that's going to be 7, 4, 5. Our decimal started here, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll put a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Comma there, comma there, comma there. And our number should be 74,500,000,000. 74,500,000,000. It's a pretty big number. I'll go ahead and do one here on number 8, and then I'll leave you to do number 9 by yourself. With number 8, I'll go ahead and do B. 9.47 times 10 to the negative 5th divided by 6.45 times 10 to the negative 8th. Now, your calculator is your friend here. Don't kid yourself. When you punch this into your calculator, don't forget to use that E key, and you should get 9.47 times 10 to the negative 5th divided by 6.45 times 10 to the negative 8th. And I get 1468.217. And I'm overdoing the numbers here because we'll go back and do sig figs in just a second. Now, we're going to have to move the decimal here because we want it in scientific notation and with the correct number of sig figs. So we're going to have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 times to get that number between 1 and 10, that coefficient that we need. So it's going to be 1.4682 0.217 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 10 to the third. For sig figs, this number has 3 significant figures, this number has 3 significant figures, so we're going to chop off this number, this number, this number, and this number. So our final answer is going to be 1.46, that's 3 significant figures, times 10 to the third. Go ahead and give number 9 a shot. I want you to do as well as you can on it, and I will see you in a couple days.